This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Alright, we are now back in another car. Let's take a look at the result. You see that the A6 was actually just slightly slower than the S6 further up here, but the S6 was equipped with winter tires, so according to spec, the S6 is supposed to be 0.4 seconds. So I think with summer tires, maybe we can get, I don't know, 0.4 seconds, or maybe just 0.3, 0.2 seconds faster. So it's not that much faster, but okay, according to spec, we have more horsepower. And then when it comes to noise, also it was tested with winter tires. But yeah, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna show you that we actually have 21-inch in the S6, but then the A6 has 20-inch wheels. So of course that's better for noise and also for other things. But here it comes quite high up in the list. See at the very top here, good noise. At least with low speed. High speed, sometimes I feel like, I don't know, it's a bit noisy-ish, but when I actually tested it, it doesn't feel like it's that bad. But for example, Q6, yeah, right on par with Q6 actually, and some of the other ones there. So yeah, now you guys see it, that if you get the A6, doesn't have to be the expensive S6, you still get pretty good performance and comfort. So go get it. Yes, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.